Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region is that viewers, a statement is given by Ethiopia's foreign minister. In this statement, said that Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region. And Ethiopia's foreign minister announced the withdrawal, but in a rejoined issued late on Saturday, it said the J7 foreign minister statement had not acknowledged key steps being taken to address the needs of the region. And in this statement said that the Eritrean troops who had crossed the border when provoked by the Tigray People Liberation Front have now started to evacuate, and the Ethiopian National Defense Forces has taken over guarding the national border. Well, this is said in the statement by Ethiopian Foreign Minister. Well, we saw that last month Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed admitted for the first time that troops from Eritrea entered Tigray region during the conflict. Because the admission came after months of denials from Ethiopia and Eritrea, even as credible accusation from rights groups and the residents mounted that Eritrean soldiers have carried out massacre in Tigray. Because we saw that after the tour of Eritrea, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed announced last week that Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region. But after this statement, Eritrean troops were seen in many areas of Tigray region. And on the other hand, Tigray supporters claim that Eritrean troops just changed their military uniform with Ethiopian military uniform, and they still present in many areas of Tigray region. But as evidence, Tigray supporters shared pictures and videos as evidence that Eritrean troops still present in Tigray region in Ethiopian military uniform. Because this picture and videos I showed you in previous videos, and Tigray People Liberation Front spokesman said in an interview that we cannot trust on Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's statement that Eritrean troops leaving the Tigray region, but they still present in Ethiopian military uniform. But now a statement issued by Ethiopian Foreign Minister that Eritrean troops leave Tigray region. And viewers, it's remained to be seen whether the pressure of J7 will help to push the Eritrean army out of Tigray, or is it something else? It will be known in coming days. So viewers, this is the latest update about Ethiopia Tigray crisis. Thanks for watching.